Queenies! Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Jerry's reaction video. Eto, panibagong reaction video na naman na pagsasamahan natin para sa Queendom. This is it, the Queendom prod for Hannah Priscilla's birthday production number. Ganon. So before we continue this action video, happy birthday, Hannah. You're doing great. You're such a beautiful person and bubbly and loving. Yeah. Nice to see you in person. Thank you so much for being nice to me. And yes, happy birthday to Hannah. So, panoorin natin ang production number ng Queendom at ng Kingdom, The Majesty of All Out Sunday. So, before we continue this action video, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell and comment down there. So, ito na, Queenies. Panoorin na natin to. Excited tayo dyan. So, let's go. All Out Sunday, Majesty. Ito iniintay ko talaga. Promise. Go, girl. Siya ba ang kumanta ng bagong theme song ng Encantadia? Comment down there nga. Sino ang kasunod? Mark. Rita. First time ko narinig tong kantang to. Sino yung original nito? Go, Hannah. Jeremiah. Hi! Hi daw. Go, Marian. Ito, alam ko tong kantang to. Ito yung mga gusto ko talaga sa kanila. Yung kaduet nila, kakolab nila ang Kingdom. Go, Jeremiah! Ang galing ng nila! Ng version nila! Yung trio nila ang galing! Go, girl! Nice one, Jeremiah. Super galing! Perfect! Love it! Ito naman. Si Christian. Nice one! Go, Garrett! Alam mo yung boses ni Garrett, pag yung nag-ano siya, yung mahaba, basta yung mahabang ano, may tunog, Gary Valenciano siya doon, ha? Tignan natin kung saan aabot si Garrett dito sa kanilang dalawa. Galing! Kapang-kapa na talaga nila, as in. Wow! Wow! So this is it, ang birthday prod ng Hannah Priscilas, na ang ganda ng lineup ng song, ang ganda ng mga blandingan, ang ganda ng bardagulan. Ito yung sinasabi ko lagi, ito yung looking forward ako na Majesty prod ng All Out Sunday talaga. As in, especially yung ganyan, yung sagutan, tapos pair-pair sila. Talagang ubusan ng baga. Oo, gano'n. But anyway, Highway, once again, happy birthday kay Hannah. And isang napakagandang prod ang nangyari ngayong araw na to. So, super love it. So, Queenies, thank you so much for watching and ingat kayo dyan. Bye!